Hi guys, it's Matt Feast. I just thought I'd do a quick video for my team. They're asking me, how do I work out my compound return investments? Well, I use a company, it's a free website, a company called calculatorsite.com. It's free. I'm going to go through how I use it, and anybody can use it. It doesn't cost any money, and it's quite a handy tool to really use, because you want to know how much profit or how much compounding you get on your income. If you're doing online businesses or not, it's very, very handy. Meanwhile, please watch the tutorial. It's only a quickie, but just gives you an idea. But it's really for my team. But if I help someone out on YouTube who's not under me and my platforms, fair play. It's not a problem. Just please use this as a tool. Meanwhile, have a great day, and thank you very much for watching the video. Much appreciated. Okay guys, right, this site here is called the calculatorsite.com. Okay, let's get rid of that advert. It's a free site, okay, and it's very, very handy for working out your return investments, your compounding on whatever program or platform you're promoting or building, or your savings plan, whatever, online. Okay, so for example, dollars, euros, pounds, yen, and other currencies. Okay, I'm going to do dollars because that's the universal currency. Right, say for example I invested say $500 into a platform, $500, and it's paying me 1.26 per day. Okay, and I want to work out say 6 months. So how much will I make in 6 months? Okay, so that's what 6 months, 6. Okay, and I calculate, and then it will pop up with how much profit I make, and that's my initial deposit. So it's quite handy. It's a very, very useful website to use. I'll leave the link below the video. It's free, doesn't cost you any money, and it's just very, very handy for working out your return investments, or if you're compounding something in your wallet, in cryptocurrency, or whatever you're doing. Okay guys, online. Meanwhile, have a great day, and really appreciate watching your videos, and also give my YouTube channel a like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Have a great day.